This is the lesson on degree, minute, second form, sometimes called DMS, degrees, minutes, seconds. So we need to know that 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. That 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. And 1 degree in terms of seconds is actually 3,600 seconds. We're going to use those numbers as far as what direction we're going. So if 1 degree is 60 minutes, then there are 3,600 seconds in a minute, in an hour. What's the symbols we use? Well, we know the symbol for degree is that little circle. For minutes, we use 1 tick mark. And for seconds, we use 2 tick marks. So let's practice this. If I have 31.875 degrees and I want to convert it to DMS, then I take only the decimal and multiply it times 60. That gives me 52.5. Then I take the decimal again from that, 0.5, and again I multiply it times 60, and that gives me 30, and those are the numbers I'm going to use. So in degrees, minutes, seconds, you would have 31 degrees, you would have 52 minutes, and you would have 30 seconds. And that's how you do it. So let's practice that right now. I want to convert this. I only focus in on the decimal. So 0.480, times 60, that's 28.8. Then take the decimal again, and again multiply that times 60. That's 48. And then put this together, and you got 15 degrees, 28 minutes, and 48 seconds. Done. Number 2, 0.2. Again, we're going to multiply that times 60. That would give you 12. There's no decimal at all there. It's just 12. It's a whole number. So that's it. So it's 150 degrees and 12 minutes exactly. No seconds. 89, take 0.915 times 60. That gives you 54.9. Take the decimal again, 0.9. Again, you just would use your calculator to multiply it, so I know you can do that. That's 54. And then take the numbers. So it's 89 degrees, that's 54 minutes, and that's 54 seconds. For number 4, 0.375. Again, multiply it times 60. That's 22.5. Take again the 0.5, multiply that times 60. That's 30. And then, to put it all together, you have 340 degrees, you have 22 minutes, and you have 30 seconds. That's called DMS. Number 5, change 0.526, again times 60. That gives you 31.56. Take the decimal, 0.56, and multiply it times 60 again, and you have 33.6. And then those are the numbers we're going to use. So we have 48 degrees, we have 31 minutes, and we have 34 seconds if you round. There it is. Number 6, we have 0.771. We're going to multiply that times 60. So that gives me 46.26. Take 0.26 again times 60. That gives you 15.6. And then those are the numbers we're going to use. So 273 degrees, 46 minutes, and round up, that's 16 seconds. All right, turn the page. One more time. Just take the decimal times 60. So 0.394 times 60. That gives me 23.64. Take 0.64 again times 60. That gives me 38.4. And then take those numbers, 105 degrees, 23 minutes, and 38 seconds if you round. All right, last one like that, 0.812. Again, multiply it times 60. That's 48.72. Take 0.72 again times 60. That's 43.2. And those are the numbers we're going to use. So 318 degrees, 48 minutes, and 43 seconds if you round. How about the other direction? If you have DMS, can you change it to degrees only? So in order to do that, recognize that minutes will now need to be divided by 60, and seconds will be divided by 3,600. So seconds out of an hour. So how many minutes in an hour, how many seconds in an hour. That's where those numbers come from. So if I divide by 60, I get 0.15. 50 divided by 3,600 gives me 0.014. And then we add it up. So you're adding 73 plus 0.15 plus 0.014. So put it all together and you get 75.164 degrees. So that's what we're doing to convert the other direction. So here we have 37 degrees and 36 minutes. So just 36 minutes divided by 60. That gives you 0.6. There's no seconds to worry about. So it's just 37.6 degrees. For number 10, we have 8 minutes. Divide that by 60, and you get 0.133. And then put it together, be 315.133 degrees. Super simple. For number 11, 52 minutes. Divide that by 60. What decimal is that out of an hour? So that's 0.867. We have seconds. Take the seconds divided by 3,600. That's 0.006. And then we're going to add that to 84. So we're going to add these up. So if you go 84 plus 0.867 plus 0.006, all together, this should be 18 divided, should be 0.005. Sorry. So now add these up, 84.867, 0.005, and you get 84.872 degrees. For 12, we have 4 minutes divided by 60. We have 45 seconds divided by 3,600. So to convert both of them to decimals would be 0.567 and 0.004. We add that to 121, and then all together you get 121.08. Is that right? 0.5. What number here? I did this wrong. So 4 divided by 60 is 0.067. And then 45 divided by 3,600 is 0.013. All right, now we're on track, kind of. So 0.067, 0.013, then add these up, and you get 121.08 degrees. All right, I'm on track. Number 13, 28 minutes divided by 60, that's 0.467. Then 20 seconds divided by 3,600, that's 0.006. Add that up with 310, so add all of it up and you get 310.473. Here we go again, 34 minutes divided by 60. That gives you 0.567. 16 seconds divided by 3,600. That gives you 0.004. Add that up with 8, and you get 8.571. Number 15, we have 14 minutes divided by 60. That's 0.233. And 56 seconds divided by 3,600. That's 0.016. Add that up with 50, and you get 50.249. All right, last one here for the. So number 16, 46 minutes divided by 60 is 0.767. 5 seconds divided by 3,600 is 0.001. Add that up with 250. So add all three up, and you get 253.768. Done. All right, there's your lesson on degrees, minutes, and seconds. Mr. G Math over and out. Until next time.